at least I problem, you know, man. Once you ask for a call, you don't guarantee to get back your phone.
Yeah, I wonder if I choose you pregnant, Michelle. She wants to itchy. You have a point. That could be part of it. And Bubbles, when I tell him no lie, quit now, make it easier for you. Because you're miserable bad. Why? Them two situations here, you be bad. What I have to understand female and what I have to understand fear. Why, every time them talk, them cuss. Whether she come there or I'm there on the phone, them cuss. I have to find a compromise. Because this not good for none of them. I literally have to out of the big man for taking medication. So how much longer am I going to be at the house, T?
So grab and run thing the man in the pan.
Yeah, man. Some of them ball game.
So right round the block it up one.
Yeah, all about it has better now. Yeah, because I hear about a couple people lose their phone, you know.
Set up one up a king man place.
Well, we might hear, I'm not sure, but only thing we did hear one at a time, I said it go up on the flat. So I don't know if you reach up in the hills.
I was circle him a couple of days now and it's like I'm gone missing again when I hear nothing from him and I use my phone to so that's why I ask you because I really want up that side there and you know what I mean?
No, we're not safe you know, isn't it? I'm not hear from him either still, but we just, I hope saying good, yeah?
Young Jenna, I show you a thing still now when I really reason why I take for myself and down there young a little bit.
Well, until she finish her EP, I should say it's so finish. I wish the two of them the best. I'm going to hope them can work it out. Because now, them on trying times. I'm sure they will get over this. I look back on it and laugh.
It's the whole thing here with a brother named Mullins. I show you a little thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, they get too hot for me, you know? So I just take for myself because them man they have eyes everywhere. So I figure say if I do down the countryside, they might know some of them there still. But I do my part of the thing when they ask me to do. I just take for myself and talk in because I try to focus on that thing. So, you know what I mean?
But from I say my eyes everywhere, that means I'm going to know say it in the country then.
Well, even if you know something in the country with the right thing.
That's true.
You know what I mean? Because more while when me in a town, brother, everybody want to do something for them. And through me, the man we can find certain things. Yeah.
So
I just decide to
how it go, it sort out right way.
well, it more or less sort out the right way, you know, so I'm sure say, you know, I'm supposed to live on him good side, you know.
That would be the best thing, isn't it? You know, say, in there, you might pray a deep same,
Yeah, man.
But the day I go and go through, you know.
Yeah, man. So the little one.
You know, so she right.
Yeah.
Good man. But here I go on. I look at things dump off high school and get a 2-day suspension start.
Judge.
Yeah,
What she go on with?
Yeah, well, couple you gang and one girl and him say she apartheid. The girl tell right, so she apartheid. So they never attend a talk from her and just shoot out the 2 days. So me have to go circle them because you don't know, you can't make party with them again.
Check. My lad, it's never an easy task, you know, but you just go and do what you have to do, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
You
man.
know. I'm not too terrorist still, you know, like I said, just jump in and heal 2 people and I go move. How I go on?
Yeah, I get one message said I've got to take on the work, you know. So,
Jenna,
anything.
go and do what you have to do. And good luck, see?
Yeah, man, really?
Yeah, man.
See?
Meeting again. Mr. Brother.
Muffin Soto. Okay. After the detour team. Yep.
Next time you're forward, yam, banana,
Yeah, man.
pumpkin, dashi,
Yeah, man.
rare. I walk with a bag for you.
Yeah, man. I bring some pigtail in my drink.
That's a rare. Hey, Omega, Wagwan. No, I know that, you know, me take on myself in a country a little bit, you know. Yeah, man, me that deal with my farm, you know. But me in a town, you know. Wagwan, me can circle like a pan turtle. Alright. Yeah, man. Give me about half an hour to 45, yeah? Alright, then, boss. Big up yourself.